Drink water, mind your business. Hey guys, it's Jimmy P and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing y'all a video that I usually don't incorporate in my videos, like my content videos, only because I don't know much about it, and it is a hair review. So today I'm going to be doing a hair review on this hair right here that I have in my head. I just really wanted to come on here and tell you guys about this hair in particular because I've had it for such a long time and it's amazing. Like, I put this on everything. It's amazing. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I wish it was, you know. It's like you're not gonna get a coin for this, but I'm not. So yeah, this is my true honest opinion about this hair. You can ask my friends. Literally, they love this hair, I love this hair. So yeah, do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you leave me a comment down below. I love talking to you guys, so make sure you go and do that. Alright guys, so today the hair that I'm wearing, that I've literally probably, like in all my videos that y'all seen, I've been wearing this hair or the short one, but most likely is this one. This hair is from Her Hair Company. By far the best hair that I've ever worn before, and it's affordable as I don't know what. Like, it's so affordable. So let's just run down a list of all the things, you know, about this hair. It's an online hair company. I don't think they have any stores, but if you just Google Her Hair Company, it pops right up. This is Brazilian straight. I got it jet black. It's in the inches 16, 18, and 20. So I got 3 bundles of that. And I also have a frontal in right now. If you want to know about the frontal, I'll just leave that down below in the description box, because I don't really want to give my opinion on my frontal yet, because I literally only wore it for a month. So I don't want to give my opinion on the frontal yet, but the hair, yes, definitely. Decided to just go ahead and get it, ordered jet black, which it came jet black. Like, literally it came jet black. It wasn't like a dark brown or anything like that. It came jet black. I paid $264.49 for my bundles, okay? Not including the frontal. I will insert some pictures of when I had this hair as like with the leave out. I'll show you some with the closure. I'll show you all of that because I tried every different style. When I first got this hair, I got it as a sew-in. I got this hair in March of 2016, people. March 2016. Do y'all know what today is? Can y'all see that? Let's see if it'll focus in. That is December 29th. Okay, it is December 29th, 2017. So literally a year ago, about to be 2 years, I've had this hair, okay? So I've worn this a lot. I can't even tell you how many times I've actually worn it because it's been a lot. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So let's just start off with the cons about this hair. There aren't many, which is why I'm starting off with the cons. The cons about this hair, when it gets dirty, it looks like really shiny, but that's with any hair. You know how if you put product in your hair, you keep touching it, or just everyday wear and tear or whatever, your hair starts getting oily and all that good stuff when it's dirty. This hair does the same thing. It looks really shiny, like it's been worn. So yeah, when I first got the hair, I had watched a bunch of videos about weaves and all that good stuff, and I forgot who told me, but I think it was Malibu Dollface, don't cut your wefts because that's how you start to get shedding. Whereas though if you just sew on line by line, keep going, then it is less likely to shed. So up until literally when I put the frontal on about a month ago, my hair was not cut ever. I never cut it, ever. So this hair, and I feel like y'all gonna think I'm lying. I swear to God, this video is not sponsored, but this hair shed, 2 strands every time I washed it, and never when I combed it. And if I did comb it and I probably would get a strand. It literally never shed, which is why I've been able to have it for so long, almost 2 years. I don't know what's up with this hair, it's on crack or something, but it didn't shed. It hasn't lost any weight. It's still so full, it's crazy. It is starting to shed now. I washed my hair yesterday and I've seen that it is shedding, and it's a good amount, let's say, because I can't even say it's a lot, oh my God, what the hell, because it hasn't shed this whole time since I had it. So I'm very grateful that it hasn't. So the little bit of that I am getting now, it seems like a lot only because it has never shed before. But I mean, hair sheds, we all know that. I want to tell y'all that what I do know about hair. Hair sheds, our hair sheds, our weave will shed hair sheds. So I'm not really upset about it shedding, but this some good hair. Another thing that I don't like about it, it doesn't hold a curl, but I know that, like, it's Brazilian straight hair, so of course it's not gonna really hold a curl. It's straight hair, so I wasn't really upset about that. It does curl, but it only lasts about 2 hours. Not even joking. It doesn't hold a curl at all. So if you are a person that likes to curl your hair, I would definitely not recommend the Brazilian straight. Because it don't hold a curl. It drops and it's like a really pretty wave, but it will not hold a curl. Wall curl, curl, big curl, little curl, small curl, type. Look, it ain't gonna hold a curl. So don't recommend this if you like curls, okay? I'm a straight girl. I like my hair straight, so that's why I'm good with, that. Another thing that I didn't really like about it was that when I do wash it, it does have a wave to it. I'll show you a picture as well, but it has a wave to it. It's not like a big wave like Brazilian body wave or anything, but it's a little wave. And I want it Brazilian straight just so that I can wash and it'll air dry and I could just go. Like, it'll be straight. But it's not. It has a little curl to it. And this may not sound like a con, but it had way too much hair. Like, the 3 bundles that I got, I didn't even use all of it. And I can't wait to show y'all because y'all gonna be like, bitch, well, you ain't using your hair like what? Yes, I didn't use all the hair. I had a good amount left. Like, it probably would have went for like 3 more lines of hair basically, but I didn't use all of it because I literally tried to squeeze it all together and fill it in, and it was too much. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just let it be. And I left the 3 hairs, and I think I did something with them, but that's besides the point. It was a little bit too much hair, but I mean, who was going to complain about too much hair? I might just got a little head. Somebody else might got a big head and it'll fit. Like, you know what I mean? So yeah, I got a big head, so I don't know what the fuck. So yeah, that's all the cons that I had. I literally dug so far trying to get a bunch of cons. I'm like, yo, let me just think of like one. Like, I can't just have no cons. So I really dug really hard trying to find some cons about this hair. Now let's move on to the pros, my favorite part, because this hair is so good. Okay, her hair company, I need to sponsor me. Okay, when I first went on YouTube to like Google like affordable hair or whatever, because y'all know how my channel get down. Like, we are college students and we poor, okay? We don't have no money to be spending on some $300 hair, like, like per bundle, because I know people be having, listen, okay, on it, and everybody else was like raving about the hair. They were saying it was so good, so good, so good. So I'm like, all right, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. Pros, it didn't shed for the time period that I had it up until now. Like, it literally just didn't shed, y'all. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I could probably say out of the year that I had it, it shed like about 15 strands. Like, I'm not even joking. It's not even funny. Another thing that I love about this hair, it is so soft. And I mean, even when like I just wash it or whatever, not even like me flat on it or putting any product on it, by itself the hair is super soft, and it already has like a nice like flick to it, if that makes sense. It has a nice bounce to it. So when you flat on it, it's like even better. Like, oh my god, it's even better. It didn't smell. I know a lot of Brazilian hair smells like feet. This hair did not smell like at all. Well, I've had it for a long time. It definitely doesn't smell now, but when I first got it, it didn't smell at all. Like, and of course when I straighten it, it's so silky and so, look at this. Can y'all see this? Oh, I love this hair so much. It's like so bouncy when you like flat iron it and everything. I never actually blow dried it before. It probably would come out even more bouncy if I actually blow dried it and flat ironed it. But listen, there's some bomb hair. The hair is super thick. That's also what I love about it. A lot of hair companies, you'll get like real thick, then like towards the ends. This hair doesn't do that. I actually went in and I straightened it and I cut off the strangly ends. Like, it wasn't a lot, but I cut it off, and it's giving me like straight just thickness all throughout. So yeah, it's really thick from top to bottom, which I absolutely adore. Okay, it was extremely affordable. Like I said, I paid $264 for 3 bundles. They are having a sale right now. I actually went on the website and looked. They're having a sale right now, 3 bundle deal for $99, and then they're having a individual bundle deal for like, I think it's $29 per bundle or whatever. That's for the hair that I got, which is the Brazilian straight. I don't know about the other ones, but the one that I have in my head, they're having a sale on, so y'all need to go get it, okay? I believe it was fast shipping. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I think it took about 3 days, but that was like almost 2 years ago, and I really don't remember. But I think the standard shipping is like 3 to 5 days, and I think it came on time. I don't know. I don't know. And of course, it was no shrinkage whatsoever. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I feel like it got longer. I think this shit is growing. I'm not even joking, y'all. I'm so serious. I really feel like it's growing. It grew. It's like literally, it's either I shrunk or the hair grew, because it's like touching my butt now. It's touching like the top of my butt, kind of, sort of. And it didn't do that at first. So I'm like kind of confused. Like, why the hell is it growing? I've washed it multitudes of times over time, because I've had it for almost 2 years. And it stays jet black. I'm not going to lie though. I feel like it's getting a little, like, it's like, of course, because like after washing it for like almost 2 years, it's going to lose the color. But I think it got less black than when it was when I first got it, but it's still jet black. Like, it still looks jet black. I probably will never have to put, well, even if I had to, I don't think I would put a dye on it. I'm really scared to even dye, bleach, and I don't even want to touch it sometimes, because I don't want it to mess up the fluffiness and the niceness and the good quality that I'm getting right now. So this is my straight black hair. I think that's it. Overall, I really want to say I give this hair a 10 out of 10. I would, and I'm not even joking, this is the best hair I've ever had in my entire life. And I'm going to continue to order from her hair company. The thing is, why I want to like stress to y'all, I haven't had to order any more hair. You know how like after a while your hair starts getting real trash, so you gotta order a new one or whatever. I haven't had to order new hair because this hair literally holds up. Like, it's withstand everything. I can't tell you about bleaching or dyeing it or how it will like, you know, like work with all of that good stuff, because this is my precious hair. So I don't want to touch it. But I mean, y'all let me know. Shoot, if y'all get this and y'all bleach it and dye it all like this, let me know how y'all like it. This is my prized possession, and honey, I'm not touching it. Do y'all see that? Y'all can't. Y'all, I ain't even gassing it. Here's the finale. I'm going to show you guys the hair, okay?